Once you turn, right? And then cold day came.
That's what I mean by example. You're going to use your information. Okay, that's why when I had a like 30 seconds, we're going to go over this. Right now, I want you guys to think. What might be the vertical angle property based on what you're getting? What you found as the vertical angle property, or what you really found was the relationship between vertical angles. I want to hear from each group because you had different lines that intersected.
We did?
Like, yeah. What were some questions you had to ask yourself in order to find the angles, the measurements of different angles? Someone in group A, Gavin Beer.
Some of the questions I have to ask myself is what if I see a supplementary angle or anything.
Okay. What angles are vertical? Good. Okay, and then maybe someone else from group A, what were some things you did to find the measurements of the other angles? What were some things that you did to find the measurements of the other angles? Someone in group A, Paul.
So when we got
Anaya, you need to sit down. Anaya. Okay. Okay, I need everyone in group C. Everyone over here, let's listen to Rapal. Rapal, can you...
what two angles do you speak a little louder? Can I communicate with you? What I asked myself was what two angles
Okay. And when you found that out, what would you be able to do? Good. We could use supplementary angles to find other measurements. Okay, group B. What are some questions you might have to ask yourself in order to complete this task? What? Okay, group B, what's something that you might have to use? Good. Anything else? Anything else? Destiny. Which angles are diagonal? Good. Okay, group 3, what about you? What are some questions you have to ask yourself? Some things that you have to do to go through the steps first to complete this activity. Someone on group C. Kazi, loud and clear.
We use complementary, supplementary, and vertical angles to solve and find all the angles.
Okay, so how can we form that as a question? Listen.
How to use complementary, supplementary, and vertical angles to find all the angles.
Anyone else in group 3, what are some things that you had to look at in order to help you solve this? Anu?
We had to look at the signs on the angles, like the little boxes and the arches that connect the angles, see what they meant, and they would help us find out the measurements.
Okay, and what would that mean, the little arches?
The one that connects angle 7 and angle 8, the double bar, shows that it's 45 degrees.
Why?
Because it's straight through the complementary angle, which means that it's 45 degrees and 90 is the complementary angle, and half of it is 45.
Okay. Loud and Joseph? Okay. And so we'll get the relationship. So, altogether, what can we say the vertical angle property is? Based on this activity, from what you saw, what was the relationship between the vertical angles? So, this side you can see multiple hands. What relationship did you see between the vertical angles? Fashioning.
The relationship we saw between vertical angles is that each of the angles all have the same measurement, the ones that are vertical to each other.
So you're saying, say that again louder, and I want other people to comment.
I said that the relationship they have together is that each vertical angle has the same measurement.
Okay, did anyone else find that something similar to that?
We also found out that the opposite angles they add up to 180.
The opposite angles, like the vertical angles at 180?
No, like the other measurements, like let's say.
But what about the vertical angles? What did you find about that?
They all have the same measurement.
Okay, and the group, I'm sorry.
And also they make their own supplementary.
Okay. And then group C, what about you? Joseph?
They condition vertical angle horizontal and are equal to each other.
Good. So, what's the statement we can write for vertical angles? Can somebody maybe come up with a statement for vertical angles? And new.
We wrote that the vertical angle property is that vertical angles share the same measurements.
Okay. Excellent. Good job. Excellent job. So, to wrap this up, I'm going to give you a summary question, okay, on the board, and I'm going to collect. I'm also going to collect these. Make sure you have both names.
What's this?
Yeah. And I'm going to give you the last 5 minutes to complete the summary that I'll put on the board as well. Okay? Any questions? Thank you.
And then say when it comes out.